It's nearly dark, as you can see, because there's no light on in this bedroom. See? You can't see. Sound's still coming into the place from outside. Is the mobile picking it up? Plane going over the roof while the sound is like, outside. It's actually mind control sound. It's sending negative brain kind of, I don't know, it affects your brain, and it could even be like sending negative thoughts through subliminal sound, because this is very high technology that is being operated in this area. It looks mechanical, and it is, but it's also high-tech because it understands human psychology. So it knows how different sounds, or is experimenting with me to see how different sounds affect my my mind and my personality and my emotions. They're trying to get negative reactions out of you, a negative depressive state of being, or an angry state of being, which is why I'm shouting, because although I've hardly got any energy, because this takes energy away from you, the little bit you've got, you're throwing out in anger, so it's very defeating. It's nearly dark. I mean, there is a little bit of light coming still through the thing, but it's almost dark. There's no reflection on that roof opposite, which means that it's nearly dark, and yet that sound is still going.